Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the shed door and see if we can fix the sag in it. So as you guys can see, the door right now will hardly open. You gotta kind of pull it. So I built the shed like 3 years ago, and unfortunately the whole door has settled. So we'll see if I can do something real quick and fix this. So here's what we got to try to fix this door. It's called an Anti-Sag Gate Kit, and I'm just going to put one of these little brackets on one corner and then to the other, and then this metal cord will be attached between the two, and we'll be able to tighten it. That should be able to alleviate that sag that we're having. So here's the bracket that we've got attached to the door. Usually this goes to 2x4, but unfortunately the one that we're going to have to attach it to is this tongue and groove board. As you can see, there's no way I can really do that here. So I'm going to have to notch this out first in order to actually get a nice smooth fit right there. And at the top we're going to have a similar issue with the groove part, so we're going to cut a slot right out there, similar to the one at the bottom. Okay, now we're just going to mount the bracket to the top and the bottom for the notch that we just cut. Now to attach the cable. So I'm going to go ahead and expand the turnbuckle tensor as far out as I can on both sides. That way whenever I start to tighten it up, it'll bring in the cable, and it should help alleviate that sag, like so. So you want to pull the cable taut as much as you can by hand, and then tighten down your last U-bolt. Seven sixteenths. That's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys take the time to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.